Research says that children have to be taught about money at an early age, as early as 3 years old, because more often they are involved in these teachings, more familiar they are going to be getting at these concepts in the future. Let's face it, right? Look at our education system. What does it teach? It teaches us algebra, calculus, geometry. Are we even using these in our day-to-day life right now? Is it helping any of us to make money, to grow our money, to become wealthy? Is it helping us to manage our finances? No, right? So it gets very crucial for all of us to teach our children the basic concepts of money. We don't have to complicate things. At age 3, we could probably help our children to count things. At age 4, we could probably help them to buy some small stuff. At age 5, we could help them to shop for things in exchange for money. At age 6 to 8, we could teach them small things with respect to saving, how saving needs to be done, and how much of money we need to be spending and things like that. And we need to ensure that they have this concept in their mind that they are not going to be getting anything for free. There has to be something in return for the things that they buy, and that is money, right? So we could start with basic concepts like these. Now let's say, we could even think of keeping 3 jars, one for saving, one for expense, and one for growing the money. If we are dealing with children of 3 to 6 years, now if you are dealing with a teenager, you could start with basic concepts like what is a liability, what is an asset, what is cash flow, what is a negative cash flow, what is a positive cash flow, right? So these concepts are very critical for anybody to understand, and if they have a familiarity with these concepts, it's definitely going to come in handy when they are dealing with larger sums of money in the future. Do you agree? This is Soumya Acharya, a high-performing teens coach, and if you liked the video and if you found value in this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.